Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm going to promote a Clickbank offer in front of you, and how you are going to promote this. This is what I'm going to show you. This is an absolutely free method, and in a very in detailed manner I will be showing you how to promote a Clickbank offer on Facebook. Okay, so we are going to select a specific product and going to promote, and I will select such a product in which everything is done for you. You have got the script, you have got each and everything, and you just have to copy and paste. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. Okay, so first of all you have to go to this website which is known as clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, just create one, and after that go to this marketplace. Okay, when you go to marketplace in the Clickbank, you can see this type of e-business and e-category. Okay, so now it's opening. Okay, so here is the marketplace. Okay, you just come to this type of page. Okay, if you don't have an account, just create one. It's really easy, and just go to this category, e-business and e-marketing. Okay, we are going to promote one of the products from this category. Okay, so here is the product. Okay, a super affiliate system, John Christiani's auto webinar. Okay, this is really an awesome product which we can promote, because you are going to get $507 per sale. This is really insane. Okay, you are getting a really huge commission. If you are only able to sell one of this in a month, even then you are going to receive $500. Okay, so that's really awesome. So now let's click on the promote button and get our affiliate link. Okay, now just here generate hop link, and you have got your affiliate link. Okay, and copy it down. Already we have obtained our copy link, and we have shortened it using tiny URL. Okay, so this is my Clickbank link, and I have created this tiny URL because this link looks very ugly, and Facebook does not accept direct affiliate links. So you just have to shorten it using this type of link shortcut known as tiny URL. Okay, that's really easy. Now the important stuff, and now the main content comes into the work. How you are going to do in this. Okay, so what you have to do is just search for here groups. Okay, now let's search for make money online. Okay, just search the keyword. Okay, now let's search for make money online. Okay, USA. Once I search this keyword over here, you can see many of the groups pop up. See, these are all the groups which you can join. Okay, it's really easy. All these groups are ready. Just click on this join button and you can join these groups. Okay, just see this is how easily they just ask you some of the questions. You just have to answer them. They are simple questions, and they will accept you in their groups. Okay, that's really easy, and that's how you join some of the groups. Okay, now what you are going to do in this group is, for example, this is the group which I have joined. Okay, okay, and what you have to do is, there are this type of messages. All you have to do is comment in this type of messages. And what type of comment you are going to post is, just go to this John Christiani's auto webinar. Okay, and just click this link. Okay, after you click this link, you will be coming to this page. Okay, so JV sign up page, and what you have to do is just go to Facebook. Okay, Facebook ad swipes, and you can see here is a Facebook. Okay, you can find out all this stuff. Okay, just go to this website, okay, which I have quoted here, and you can find all this promotional material on John Christiani's website. Oh, sorry. Okay, so just we are here, and here is the Facebook group post example. Okay, now what you have to do is just copy this. Okay, this is a ready-made script which you are getting for this product. Thanks for the post, really helpful, and I have been trying. And you have to write the subject, means whatever the subject is, you are learn more about make money, learn more about entrepreneurship, anything, whichever subject you have to write. You have to write here subject and post your affiliate link over here. That's really simple, because you don't have to write the script yourself. This is a tried and trusted script which is already given to you. Okay, so you don't need to do any of the work. Now just Control C, just copy this, go to Facebook. Okay, and what you are going to do is Control V, just paste this. Okay, now here subject, just change this tagline to something related to make money. M-A-K-E, make money. And here just provide your affiliate link. Okay, now go to here. Now let's just copy our affiliate link. Go to Facebook again. V. Okay, boom. Our affiliate link is here. Everything is been set up. Okay. Now one of the most important thing, you just use some of the GIFs. Okay, GIFs can be really helpful because it attracts attention. Okay, MONEY. If you get a okay, so just this will attract attention of this will attract attentions of the viewers who are watching your post. And see, you just commented, you have posted your affiliate link on Facebook. This is one of the insanely easy method which you can utilize. Okay, now what you are going to do is, this group does not allow you to post directly in the group. Now we will be finding some of the groups which allow us to post. Okay, just see this one. This is one of the another group which I just opened up, and you can see this group allows you to post in its group. Now what you have to do is just go to this link on the which I have shown you related to Clickbank, and just what you have to do is just open the affiliate JV page of the super affiliate system, and just see here you can find group post example. Now what you have to do is just copy this whole stuff over here, okay, and just Control C. And now what you are going to do is just go to the group particularly and just paste Control V. Okay, now what you are going to do is, here you are going to put in the link. Just remove this and just go here, just copy your link again and just post your link. Control V. Your link is here, boom. Okay, and just the profession, you can write here any of the profession. Interesting, really interesting. Okay, have anyone heard about this training? The stuff is 1 hour and really interesting. My friend is doing supposedly. Okay, so this is the script, okay, which he has provided to you. Okay, and all these things are written over here, so you don't need to do anything else. And what you just have to do is, or you can just add one of the photo which is related to money over here, or just just search in here GIF, which is MONE. Just search the money GIF, because this will make it really interesting. Okay, this will make your post really stand out. Okay, so this is the method which I personally utilize to make money. And just press enter. Okay, stay on the page. Okay, this is really easy stuff, and you have created a post that's really easy. And just click on this post button. Once you click on the post button, your post is just posted over here. See, boom, your link is out in the group. That's how easy it is to make money or earn money online. This is really simple, really awesome way to make some really good big cash online. Not most of the people are doing this stuff. Just go and join. Thousands of groups are available on Facebook. Just take action and write in the comment section that I'm gonna take action on this method, and you will definitely earn $1,000 to $2,000 at the end of this month if you consistently do post these things in as many groups as you can join. So just take action. Okay, if you like my video, if you like my content, then just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.